I am restored. I am restored. I am restored. Yes, I am restored. I am enterprising and resourceful. I do well both in business and in the things of the Lord.
Yes, I am restored. I am strong. I am not weak in any way. I fight and lay hold of eternal life.
Yes, I am restored.
I am triumphant over sin.
I am the righteousness of Christ.
And I rule over every circumstances.
Yes, I am restored. I have overcome challenges and situations, and I have overcome in Christ.
Yes, I am restored. I am reloaded, destined for greatness. I am a new man in Christ.
Yes, I am restored. I will engage in the things of the Lord. I will continually render my service in the house of the Lord.
Yes, I am restored. And that's because I am driven. I am fully involved in the things of the Lord. I operate in heavenly places.